Welcome to part 2 of the Intune app management using ZENworks demonstration video. In the previous video, we had seen how Roger, the administrator of XYZ Corporation, configures Microsoft Graph API with ZENworks. In this video, we will demonstrate how Roger creates and assigns an Intune app protection policy in ZENworks, based on which Azure can apply protection settings on the Office 365 apps installed on the device that belongs to Peter, an employee of XYZ Corporation. To create an app protection policy in ZENworks, Roger navigates to the Policies section and selects iOS Intune App Protection Policy. He specifies the name of the policy. On this page, he selects the apps on which the security settings should be applied. Alternatively, Roger can also add any in-house apps as a custom app and apply restrictions on it. Roger selects Microsoft Excel, OneNote, and Word. On this page, he selects the security level based on which predefined values for each security setting are populated. Roger can always edit these predefined values to suit his requirements. Roger selects High. If you notice, unlike other policies in ZENworks, you will be unable to create a sandbox version of this policy. On clicking Finish, the policy will be published. The Details tab in the newly created policy contains the list of all the settings with its predefined values that can be modified if required. After creating the policy, ZENworks communicates with Azure and the same policy is created in Azure. Back in ZCC, Roger assigns the policy to the user group which is associated with Peter. After assigning the policy, ZENworks communicates with Azure to replicate the policy assignment. Based on the policy assignment, Azure enforces the protection settings on Peter's device. For example, when Peter opens the OneNote application on the device, as per the protection settings in the policy, he is prompted to configure a passcode. Azure has successfully applied the protection settings on the Office 365 apps on Peter's device. After a few months, Peter loses his device. Peter informs Roger about this, and Roger is concerned about all the corporate information that can be easily accessed using the Office 365 apps installed on Peter's device. Roger can easily wipe the Office 365 app data from ZENworks. To do this, Roger clicks the Users section and navigates to Peter's user summary page. He refreshes the Intune App Protection panel. If Peter has logged into at least one Intune app on any one of its devices, then those devices are displayed in this panel. To wipe the device that Peter has lost, he selects the device and simply clicks Action Wipe App Data. On clicking Wipe App Data, ZENworks sends a request to Azure to wipe the app data from the selected device. For example, if someone accesses the Word app on Peter's device, then he is automatically logged off from the app and will be unable to access the data in the app. The status of the wipe action changes to complete in Azure for the Word application, and simultaneously the status is updated in ZENworks to unprotected, which indicates that a protection policy for this app is no longer applied. For more information in securing Office 365 apps and the Intune app management feature in ZENworks, refer to our online documentation.